everyone, and welcome to High Value Couponer. So today we are here with a SAVINGSTAR tutorial, and I got to tell y'all I love SAVINGSTAR. This is the first app I ever used when starting couponing. I swear it is such a good app. So we are going to talk all about SAVINGSTAR today. So SAVINGSTAR is the first one I used, and it definitely is the oldest app that I'm aware of. It's been around for years. You can either do it on a mobile device or on a desktop. The mobile definitely is easier. And basically what SAVINGSTAR is you clip rebates to your account, and you have to have them clipped before you make the purchase, or it will not work. You have to clip them before you make the purchase. Clip the rebates, and then when you go into the store, you can redeem. You go to the store, you check out, then you come home, and you can redeem your rebates and upload your receipts, which is so easy. So first, we're going to talk about how you do this, or how to load rebates. Let's talk about how to load rebates first. As you can see, I've loaded a lot of mine. What I recommend you do is every Sunday morning and every Thursday morning, check your account and load new rebates. This is a Saturday night, so there's not new rebates right now. However, as you can see right here, I didn't load these because they're liquor, but this is what it'll look like on when new rebates are available. What you're going to want to do is click the little plus button, and it loads to your card, or to your account. I'm sorry, there is no card. It loads to your account when you want to redeem a rebate. So it's loaded to your account. You go to the store, you buy the product, you click on the redeem button, and you're going to scan your receipts. Now, some of the stores you can see I have like Giant Eagle, Kmart, CVS, Rite Aid. They are card scan stores. So when you're scanning your loyalty card, it'll automatically transmit the information over to SAVINGSTAR, and you don't have to scan anything. But most of the stores we shop at, you have to scan your receipts. So like Walmart or Walgreens. Let's say you went to Walgreens and you bought something. You're going to go here and click on Submit a Receipt, and you're going to verify the items you bought. So let's say that these trolley, it is a little slow sometimes, but let's say you want these trolleys, and you think, oh, I might have a rebate for those. You can go in and scan it. Tell you, this app can be a little buggy sometimes, but there we go. Click verify your items. You'll scan your barcodes of the stuff you bought, and once that is done, you will click snap pics of your receipt. You will go through and take a picture of your receipt, and that is what they will do. They will review your receipt, and they will credit you the money. That plain and simple. You just have to have the offers loaded. Two big key things here. There's been rumors for years that you can't use these with coupons. That is definitely not true. It just is on their website that if you use digital coupons that the system may receive like a data error and not transmit it, but that definitely isn't true because it does work. It definitely does work. So keep that in mind that it does work with coupons. And the other main thing is this is not like Ibotta and Shopkick, where there's multiple limits, because on here it definitely is not. You use it once and it's done. Like you can't use it over and over again. So once you use it the first time, you're not going to get it back. It is over. So plan accordingly. Make sure you use it when you want to use it. A key thing, stack these with coupons. SAVINGSTAR is notorious for that. There's many times like they love to do matching coupons with the rebates, which I love about this app. So like here, the all detergent, there's a $1 manufacturer coupon. At the same time, we got this dollar SAVINGSTAR. So you get $2 off, which is just awesome. SAVINGSTAR is a phenomenal app. So if you have any more questions, feel free to ask. SAVINGSTAR is very simple. You need $20 to cash out. You can cash out into PayPal or directly your bank account. I think there's like you can get an iTunes gift card too. Not very big selection on gift cards. I have always just got it to PayPal, and it only takes a couple days to transfer over to PayPal. So really, really nice. So yeah, that's all I have for now. This is how you use the SAVINGSTAR app. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. I'm pretty sure I got the gist of it. There's really not that much with SAVINGSTAR. It's a very easy app. You clip the offers, you go to the store and buy the stuff, and you upload your receipt, and that's it. There's no bonuses or no big things you have to work around. It's really, really easy, especially if you're a newbie. And you definitely can stack it with other rebate offers as well. And you'll always see that in my matchups, and I'm always utilizing SAVINGSTAR. So yeah, that's all I have for this video. I hope you all enjoyed and got some valuable info, and thank you so much for watching.